Imagine the excitement of opening a package that doesn't just contain a high-tech product, but offers a peek into what life might look like in 2026. You've just received the Tesla Bot Gen 3 Optimus, a $20,000 humanoid machine made to change. Daily living using advanced artificial intelligence and smooth connection with Tesla's system. But before this amazing robot starts making your coffee or organizing your workspace, there are 4 important steps you need to complete to get it working right and ready for your lifestyle. In this episode, come along as we open the Tesla Bot Gen 3 Optimus and go over the key actions needed to make sure it becomes a useful part of your everyday routine. Before we start, we'd love your support to help us reach 6,000 subscribers. It really encourages us to keep creating more content about Tesla Optimus and the latest updates in this space. As soon as you open the box containing the Tesla Bot Gen 3 Optimus, you'll feel impressed. The clean and simple packaging follows Tesla's famous design style. Inside, the robot is placed carefully. Its human-like shape looks both advanced and friendly, with a screen where a face would be. That screen will soon light up to show expressions and useful information. Standing 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing around 125 pounds, this sleek robot is more than a piece of machinery. It's a smart partner that can walk, talk, and learn from what it sees and hears. It comes with the same full self-driving tech that Tesla uses in their vehicles, which means it can handle everything from simple house tasks to more complicated help with daily activities. The first thing you need to do is link Optimus to the Tesla system, a network that connects Tesla cars, solar panels, and smart home tools. This connection is at the center of how Optimus works, letting it talk with other Tesla devices and become part of your tech setup. Start by getting the Tesla app if you don't already have it, or update it if needed. The app is your main control hub for the robot. From there, you can link Optimus to your account using Wi-Fi or LTE. Both options are built into the robot, so it can easily connect to Tesla's cloud services. If you already have a Tesla vehicle or a Powerwall, Optimus can connect to these devices to do things like open your garage when your car comes home or watch the energy status of your solar setup. This link turns Optimus from just a single device into a smart assistant that works with your lifestyle, helping predict what you'll need and responding quickly. Once you've connected Optimus to the Tesla network, the next thing to do is test out its basic automatic functions. This is both fun and important because it lets you check that everything works properly. Optimus is designed to move smoothly and quickly. It can walk as fast as 5 miles per hour, climb stairs, and move over uneven surfaces like gravel or grass. Its balance system helps it recover if it stumbles, which makes it dependable in all kinds of spaces. You can test this by putting it in an open area and asking it to walk to a certain spot or go up a staircase. You'll be surprised at how naturally it moves, almost like a person. On top of its movement, Optimus is great at understanding and using everyday language. It listens to voice commands and answers in a friendly way that makes it feel like you're talking to a buddy. You can ask about the weather, request a song, or even hear a joke. Its face screen will show helpful visuals or data to go along with what it's saying. Optimus can also handle small tasks like picking up a water bottle or giving you a mug thanks to its very flexible hands. These hands have 22 points of movement, which is close to the 27 joints in a human hand. Trying out these features, how it walks, speaks, and handles simple tasks, helps you get comfortable with what Optimus can do and makes sure it's working as it should before moving on to harder jobs. After checking the basic functions, the next thing you need to do is update the software. Tesla is known for their over-the-air updates that improve how their products perform, and Optimus is no different. These updates help the robot learn better, move more smoothly, or gain brand new abilities. To update, just go into the Tesla app, find the software section for Optimus, and see if any new updates are ready. If one is available, downloading and installing it is easy as long as the robot is fully charged and connected to a steady Wi-Fi network. Its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery allows for long use on a single charge. Some recent updates have shown how serious Tesla is about making Optimus better, adding features like playing musical instruments or doing yoga. You can also choose to let updates happen automatically so your robot always runs the newest version, without you needing to do anything. This isn't just a tech step, it keeps your robot learning and improving as time goes on, and helps it adjust to your life and surroundings with each new release. Before letting Optimus take on real-world tasks, it's very important to set up safety features and change its settings to match your specific needs. Optimus is built with strong safety systems, but it's best to adjust these to fit your home. Using the Tesla app, you can use the robot's cameras and sensors to make a 3D map of the space it'll move in. You can tell it which areas it's allowed to go in, like your living room or kitchen, and block off places like a room with breakable items. You can also control how fast it moves in busy places or stop it from going into rooms with kids or pets. The robot also comes with tools to spot obstacles and an emergency stop button, giving you extra protection. But setting up these safety details ahead of time helps avoid problems later. You can teach Optimus to do specific jobs like cleaning the dining table or bringing something from the garage. You can do this by showing the robot what to do step by step or by using the easy controls in the app. There's also a safety chip inside the robot that works without internet and lets you shut it down immediately during an emergency. Taking time to set up all these safety features helps ensure that Optimus is both helpful and safe, a reliable helper built around your lifestyle. Opening and getting the Tesla Bot Gen 3 Optimus ready to use is like stepping into a new age where humans and robots work together. With a price between $20,000 and $30,000, Optimus brings a lot of value through smart automation, full Tesla integration, and ongoing updates. Connecting it to the Tesla system, testing its basic functions, keeping its software current, and personalizing its safety settings all help bring out its full power. Imagine starting your day with Optimus making your breakfast, walking your dog, and telling you the weather, all in just a few minutes. That's not science fiction anymore, that's the near future of 2026. Bringing Optimus into your life means more than just getting a robot. It means welcoming a new way of living, where technology makes life easier and expands what people can do. Whether it's helping around the house, assisting seniors, or even helping in small businesses, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 Optimus could completely change how people live and work with smart machines. So as you stand next to your new Optimus and get ready to take those first 4 important steps, ask yourself, are you ready to let the future into your home? Elon Musk has laid out a big plan for Tesla Bot production. He mentioned that Tesla might have enough parts to build around 12,000 Optimus robots this year, though he admits that number might be a bit too hopeful. Still, the target of 5,000 units looks likely to grab attention in 2025. What could this mean for Tesla Optimus going forward? While Musk sometimes gives high numbers for electric vehicle production, he's been more careful with Optimus. He said 5,000 robots is a more realistic figure right now. That may seem small for Tesla, a company known for building at large scale, but honestly, it's a smart move. Making something entirely new like a humanoid robot isn't easy. Tesla still mainly makes electric cars, so setting up the right robot production line and hiring skilled workers is a big challenge. Tesla is still hiring people to work on the Optimus project. There are also other hurdles, like making sure parts arrive on time, putting everything together by hand, and testing the machines carefully. Even though Tesla is very good at building electric vehicles, making a robot is a whole different task. It requires very fine work, repeated testing, and a lot of problem solving. A recent update from Tesla shows they've set up a temporary area just for building the robots. In one image, up to 8 robots are almost fully built, and there are many other parts being put together nearby. This shows the project is real. It's not just one of Elon Musk's bold ideas anymore. Engineers are focusing closely on finishing Optimus's hands and arms, especially the hands. These are designed to be super precise, letting the robot handle delicate jobs like holding eggs or serving drinks. Unlike many other companies that are trying to make robots run, jump, or do flashy tricks, Tesla is putting more effort into making Optimus's hands work really well. Research shows that the ability to grab and move things carefully is closely linked to brain-hand coordination. Think about playing piano. Your brain has to manage each finger to match the music, which requires serious brain work. That's the kind of deep thinking Tesla is trying to give Optimus. As for Tesla's bigger plan, the company is working on the next version of its Dojo AI training system. Tesla has put a lot of money into building powerful computing tools. They're buying NVIDIA hardware, but also creating their own custom systems through Dojo. The first version of Dojo chips is already doing well. What's really amazing is how Tesla fits 25 of these chips